Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Underneath the watchful eye of the Millennium Cricket League, a Division B clash ignited flames today. Atlantic, wielding the willow first, faced a determined Akshar 11 Cricket Club in a tale where wickets stumbled, yet Patel prevailed.
As the sun kissed the pitch, two teams with contrasting styles geared up for a duel. Akshar 11 eyed victory, while Atlantic came to ride high on the tide of their opening choice. The stage was set, the crowd buzzed with anticipation.
A heartfelt thanks to the event advertisers for bringing us this spellbinding encounter. The match leaped from calm strides to thrilling leaps, each ball scripting a different story.
DivGen Pharmaceuticals, crafting futuristic medicines with the strategy of a winning game plan. And Faith Home Healthcare, crafting personalized strategies for a century of health victories.
Atlantic, opting to bat in the hopes of a substantial target, crumbled under strategic bowling, mustering a mere 63. Akshar Zais Patel steered the chase, overcoming early tremors to find solace at the crease. Their partnership wove a tale of triumph amidst a cascade of falling wickets.
Indeed, the plot thickened as Akshar Zais bowlers, led by Ankur Patel, spun a web around Atlantic's lineup. Vital breakthroughs at the heart of the innings kept the pressure mounting, and despite a modest chase, early jitters on the field made for an edge-of-the-seat narrative.
Atlantic's innings was akin to a castle under siege, with Ankur Patel leading Akshar Zais' onslaught. Yaswant Chinta and Krishna Wadali's brief resistance sparkled in vain.
Ankur Patel engineered a bowling masterclass with precision and guile, while Samir Patra's fiery spell shattered any building momentum, setting the stage for a low chase.
Akshar 11, although faltering initially, found their heroes in the Patels. Sandeep's swashbuckling hits and Himanshu's belligerent knocks crafted a hasty but successful pursuit.
Atlantic's bowlers fought valiantly, Wadali striking early. However, it was the Patel power show that ultimately turned the tide, steering Akshar 11 home with fireworks.
Ankur Patel's spell was woven with threads of gold, paralyzing Atlantic's charge. Himanshu and Sandeep's bats spoke with ferocity, echoing around the ground.
The trio Ankur, Himanshu, and Samir charted Akshar Zais' course to victory. Each, in their moment, shifted the game's balance with decisive blows.
Akshar 11 Cricket Club savoured a 7-wicket win, a testament to clinical bowling and audacious batting, an epitome of teamwork and strategy.
In a swift turnaround, Akshar 11 claimed dominion, overcoming Atlantic's challenge. Victory painted in broad strokes of skill and tenacity. In this Division B showdown, the wickets tumbled but the Patels stood tall. Akshar 11 weaves a victorious tale, etching their names in the league's folklore.
As the dust settles, Ankur Patel's wizardry with the ball and the Patels' partnership will be etched in memories, a beacon for battles ahead.